Got all the veggies chopped up for the Thai noodle chicken salad with peanut sauce. Got the garlic, onion, cilantro, parsley, shredded carrots, bell pepper, and purple cabbage. Now I'm letting my noodles soak in the hot water. Meantime, the noodles are cooking. I'm gonna start working on my chicken. Okay, noodles are done. I'm gonna add in my veggies. All these beautiful colors. Put in. And I'm gonna start tossing, mixing this in. I'm gonna add in my peanut sauce. Little by little. And start mixing. Put another chicken on there, and my chicken is done. Yum. And that's it. I added some sesame seeds. And this is my plate. So yummy.